Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. This particular video is about cryptocurrency and more specifically about Bitcoin. And in this video, I'll touch about MARA and RIOT, but the video is about ticker symbol SOS. And I'm just showing you the Bitcoin chart, and we all know how the Bitcoin is moving. Like end of November, it was like below to 20,000. Now it is like closing 50,000, and maybe during this long weekend it will touch 50,000. Who knows? But you know, like how Bitcoin is moving. I also talked previously about the ticker symbol MARA, MARA, and I talked like I had this stock around $2 to $5. Then I sold it, and then I made a video, and I was saying like there is a falling wedge breakout pattern. If it comes to $19, I will buy. I think that time the stock was around $23, and the very next day then it just broke everything, and currently this is $40. So I never got the chance to buy that particular stock. Same thing with ticker symbol RIOT, like same thing, breakout pattern. I was waiting, and I'm showing you on a 1 hour chart, but I had this limit buy order, but it never I made it because after that it went up to $52. So sometimes it feels bad because I had MARA around $4 or $5, and then I never like to chase any stock, so I missed the run up for MARA and RIOT. But I think now there is another stock which is ticker symbol SOS, which is also Bitcoin play, and this is currently below $5, not $5, below $10, and maybe there is another opportunity for me to get into a stock which corresponds with a Bitcoin. And when I say corresponds, let's see. Here I'm showing you the top two is MARA and RIOT, RIOT, and the bottom one is actually SOS. And I want to show you that how these three stock like move in the same pattern. Definitely the percentages are different, but I want to show how they are moving. Like you see the spike in MARA and RIOT, basically the Bitcoin, then the black one is SOS. This one is also moving in the same way, and you can see they go up, it goes up, they comes down, it comes down, they go up, this goes up. So the good thing is definitely like these are not the same stock, different company, different valuation, but this is the pattern I want to show how they are moving. And if you think you missed the boat for MARA and RIOT, then maybe SOS is the one you should be thinking at. And also I want to show for both of MARA and RIOT, like let's look at a weekly chart. Like you see those stocks was like around 2017-18 was like at $38. It came all the way to below 50 cent, maybe around penny stock, $1, $2, then they got the run up. Same thing if I show you for RIOT, you can see the same thing. At one point in 2018 they were around $34. They came all the way around $2-3 below $2 or even less, whatever, but it's going up. So when I looked at the SOS, this particular stock, and when I moved to a weekly chart, when I see something like this, I feel good. When I see something like this, I feel good. In 2018-19, that stock was also around $40-50. It came all the way, and the same pattern I just showed you for MARA and RIOT, like consolidation, and then recent spike. So, and you can also see the volume compared to 2018-19. You can see the volume, how on a weekly chart the volume is growing. You can see for last three weeks, like the volume, this is the weekly chart, is so green. And now currently we are just here, and once we break out, we have more room to grow. So I'll get into the stock, but definitely like you do not want to get into a stock when it is at a high on a weekly or on a daily chart. So I will talk about support and resistance, but this is the overall picture, right? Why I'm bullish about this particular stock, that it will go higher with Bitcoin. Also some other news, I will not go through the news, but recently they had a direct offering, and they said like the purchase price for one ADS and one corresponding warrant will be $5. I'm not going there, but the biggest news was like on February 9th, because like they will have, it has received 5,000 PCS of mining rigs ahead of schedule. So basically they will have the 5,000 PCS. So The good thing is, like, whenever the Bitcoin will move, they will also move. That's the main thing. This is the main news I want to focus here. I also want to talk about option, but I will come here later. So now let's look at the support and resistance, and let's move to 5-minute chart, and let's look at what's happening for last few days. And I'm gonna zoom so that we can see and we can get a better picture, right? Okay, so that's good. So I think 5 is something. $5, I think I just showed you the news, like $5. That is something. I want to make it green because that will be my support. And I think the other one around 628, 625, something like that. So you can see, like, it went up, hit in that here, came down, it went up again, came down, and again the last time it is resting around here. Also, I want to show one more thing. This is the $5 mark, right? Yeah, I think around $5, or maybe let's take this one, like $5. So one is around $5, the other one I would say around 533. Then we have 624, and currently we are sitting, and you can see that we tried like 1, 2, 3 times. We are trying to push that resistance, the blue line, right? I think once we break through this line, I think we will go higher. So just looking at a 5-minute chart for a few days, you can see the support and resistance. Now look at a bigger picture. I'm moving to 4-hour chart so we can see, and some other resistance which might be coming from 2019. Okay, so you can see the blue line. I think this looks good. Then I think you see the gap up here, and let's make it blue. Around, you see there is a gap up. Maybe I'll zoom. So around $9.50, $9.50. Yeah. So once the stock price will go above 9.5, I think then it will go to $10, and then I think you can move around $13. You can see, like, all the gap ups, right? Big in a 4-hour candle, big gap up. So then gap up here, $13, $9. So once we pass that $7.5 mark, I think then we can go up to like $8, $9, and once we pass 9.5, then maybe we can go up to $13, and who knows, maybe we will go even higher, $20. What's the line here? Yeah, around $17, and maybe even higher and higher. So look at the lines, like the resistance of 7.5, 9.5, $13, $17. These are the resistance I'm talking about. In terms of support, I think we have 6.23, 5.3, and $5. So Tuesday morning we have to see how the Bitcoin is moving. If the Bitcoin goes to 50 or more than 50,000, maybe it will open higher, but it can again come down. So if you want, you can buy some shares around 7.5. If it comes down, you can average down. And again, for me this time it will be a long-term hold. I will not sell. At least I will wait up to $17, $20 range, then I will rethink. I will also talk about option, but before that, let's move at a daily chart. Just want to see $17, then I think, yeah, 29. Okay, that's okay, but it's not necessary that MARA and RIOT went to $30, $40, so it will go as well. But I think from $7, I think it can go up to $13, $17, which is more than 200%. It could be even 300%. So anyway, look at the volume, look at the movement, and I think this stock has a potential for going higher. Now let's look at option, which is my favorite most of the time. So currently I'm showing you May 21st, and for a $5 strike, the bid is like 3.6. So basically your break even is 8.6. If you think by May 21st the stock will go 8.6, you will be in profit. Currently we are at 7.44, and in 4 months, can't we go $1? I guess we will go more than that. So this is May. I do not recommend play with something with March. With $5 strike, this is little cheaper, like 3.1. Your break even is 8.1. But again, this is Bitcoin, like when there is a commodity, silver, gold, Bitcoin, those things sometimes they go up, sometimes it comes down. So if you want to play with option, I always recommend to choose the expiry date like maybe 4 or 5 months ahead. So if it comes down, you can always like buy the same call option or share at a cheaper price, right? So you can always average down. So my recommendation would be to buy something for May 21st. Again, it's up to you, like if you want you can choose March, but this is what I'm thinking. I want to give it some time so that I don't lose money. Yeah, again, end of the day, these are all my thoughts. I'm not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before you buy or sell any stock. And if you think this video is useful to you, please do not forget to hit the like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm planning to bring one more video tomorrow. I think one will be on another cryptocurrency, so stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Anyway, thank you my friend for watching the video. Peace.